How's it going? My name is Bo Hibbs, and I successfully completed the audio engineering and music production course with Recording Connection. It was a great experience. During my time in the program, I learned how to properly mix and track and how to produce music. I had great hands-on experience in a beautiful studio with a mentor that had over 40 years experience. I also got to work with an engineer out of LA once a week during Zoom meetings that taught me how to use Pro Tools and manipulate and be fast with the program, and always making sure to be making the point that as long as it sounds good, it is good. So it is such a great experience, and now I'm getting a chance to mix for Mac Wilbur, which I'm really looking forward to see what his music sounds like, and to see what the expectations are, and hopefully get some real feedback, constructive criticism. So none of that would have been possible without the program. So I definitely recommend this to anybody who's serious about getting into music production, audio engineering, and they want to go further. So thank you, and God bless.